So this drill is called Copycat, and it's great because sometimes when we make a practice stroke, we want to know that we can repeat the actual stroke exactly the same. So the way we would do this exercise is I hit a putt, doesn't matter what distance it is, I've got a feel for what that felt like. So I'm going to stand up again, and I'm going to try to replicate that exactly the same way. And the better I can do that there, the better the copycat is, and the more I can understand how to repeat that same motion over and over again. So when you get up to hit normal putts, your practice stroke will feel exactly like your real stroke, and that'll give you much better outcomes. So we're going to talk a little bit about tempo. Tempo is a very, very important thing, not only for controlling distance, but it actually has a big impact in direction. So what I've done, I'm using my ruler here. This is 12 inches. Now, if you don't have a ruler, this is what you can do. Put a T down, roughly where you're starting and where you're ending. So this is basically saying, there's my start position, there's the end of my stroke, and then if I just swing through normal, I should produce the same amount of energy, and the ball should go the same distance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up, I'm going to swing back to the edge here and through. I'm not going to look up yet. I'm just going to hit a few more putts and sort of see how well I did. So I know I brought it back to the same amount. I'm just hoping that the acceleration of the change in speed here is consistent, so then my golf balls will end up in the same spot. That one felt a little bit like I hit it just a tiny bit more. Maybe not, but so that's kind of ideal. Now that doesn't usually happen as well. Usually it's a bit more mixed up. But the more we do that there, the more we'll control our speed and the more we'll be able to perform better. The other thing that this drill is really great for is that after you've hit a couple of putts and you've got this here, this is a flat area here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to step it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that on this green, if I move the putter approximately 12 inches, it goes 5 paces or 15 feet. If I came back to the same green tomorrow or next month, I could see if the speeds are faster or slower. Or if you go to a different golf course, you can see if the speeds are faster or slower. It's a great exercise to try to control your speed and then understand the differences when you go somewhere else.